Hey guys, we are going to do math lesson number 6 today. So today should be Monday, the second week of online learning. You're doing such a good job. Keep up the hard work. So last week we talked about our numbers 1 through 10, and we talked about matching games, +1, taking away the one day like we played the game where I was pulling away the number, and on the video, did you guys see that Miss Reed had the number on her knee? That was so silly. I promise I won't do that this week. I hope I won't. So today we're going to start talking about not addition, but subtraction. And so we're going to think about last week when we played that game, Match Me +1. So remember when I put out like my wrestlers on one side and you had to match me, but you had to match me +1. Today we're going to play the same game, except you're going to match me -1. So minus or take away, okay? So watch, and I'm going to show you how to play. Let me flip my camera here. All right, so again, we have our numbers, so you're going to need your number cards. Remember, at any time, if there's something that you need and you don't have it and Miss Reed's doing a video, you can always click on the picture and it will pause the video. And then after you have what you need, then you can unpause the video. So you're going to need your number cards and your bag of whatever 10 items you have. I just pulled my bag back out. I still have all these wrestlers. My 6-year-old son, Lincoln, has not realized yet that Mommy has all of his wrestlers, so this is great. All right, so I'm going to flip my cards over to the dot side, and I'm just going to pick out a random number, okay? My number is what? Yes, this is the number 5, okay? So I would put out 5 wrestlers. 2, 3, 4, 5. And so then Miss Reed wants you to do the same thing at your house, except I want you to match me -1. So when we talk about +1, that's when we add in another wrestler, okay? When we talk about minus, that's when we're taking away. Our number is going to get smaller, boys and girls. So if our number was 5, if we're playing 5, match me -1, I have 5. -1 means I'm going to take one of them away. So there were 5, but now there's how many? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Does that make sense? All right, so let's do another one, okay? Let me pull out a card. Let's do this number. Oh, it's upside down. 9. Okay, so I'll put out 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. 8, 9. I pulled out 9. I'm going to double check my math to make sure I didn't mess up. Sometimes when we get to those bigger numbers, it's easy to make a mistake, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I do have 9. Okay, so now you need to match me -1. I want you to use what you have at home, and I want you to match me -1. I'm just giving you a second to do that. It's kind of a bigger number. And remember, when you get them out there, after you have them laid out, double check and count them one more time to make sure you have the right answer. Okay, so if we had 9 and we need 9 -1, let's see how many we needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many of you have 8 out? Okay. There will be 8. Good job. Let's do it one more time, okay? And this is a game just like the other ones last week that you can play with someone at home. Or if you're a friend that meets with Mrs. Matz, I bet you Mrs. Matz would play this game with you. Oh, my numbers keep being upside down. What's that number? Yes, that's the number 3. Okay, so I'm going to pull out my 3. Are you going to do 3, or do you need to match me -1? Right? So if I have 3, you need to lay out how many? I'm going to take the girl away. John Cena looks like the champion here. How many? 2. Good job. So match me -1 would have been 2. Do you guys understand how to play this game? Okay, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to show you my screen because my math papers I left at the school. I got to learn how to keep everything where I need it. But underneath this is going to be our paper for today. So your math paper that you're going to do today is the next one in your purple packet, okay? At the top, it's going to say day 6. There's a spot for your name, and then there's going to be some dinosaurs, okay? It says the Triceratops has 7 leaves. That's the Triceratops. The Stegosaurus has 1 fewer than the Triceratops. Draw leaves to show how many each of them has. Okay, and then if I go down here, there's the space. Your dinosaurs are going to draw the leaves just like we drew the dog bones last week, okay? So I believe it said the Triceratops had 7. Stegosaurus had 7 minus 1, right? 1 less, just like the game we were playing. Then right here, you're going to write how many leaves the Triceratops had. He had 7. How many does the Stegosaurus have? He had 1 less than 7. And then at the bottom, again, you are going to practice writing your numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so play the game a couple times, get that paper done for me, and then you can hop on and get some GG done, okay? All right, good work. I'm super proud of you guys. It's going to be another great week, okay? All right, bye.